Hello team. In this brief Edpuzzle video, I'll be walking you through the steps of getting PBIS data from Kickboard and turning that into fun badges for your students. So everyone is going to be sent a spreadsheet that is generated from Flippity, which is the site we're going to be using. You do not need to go to Flippity to do any of this, though, because you are going to get the spreadsheet. And it's right from this spreadsheet that will be associated with your homeroom that you're going to be interacting with Flippity. So this is Purdue. This is just a sample classroom we're using for the sake of this tutorial video. The top line here is where the badge images have been uploaded. That will already be done for you. Badge titles correspond to the PBIS titles we looked at earlier this week. And badge information, you can go ahead and fill these in with whatever descriptions you would like for your particular badges. Most important part is the class list down here. These are your students. And to award a student a badge is as simple as putting an X in the column under the appropriate badge. So I just awarded Tim a 100 glows badge by putting an X in the box. So who gets an X? Well, our badges are set for different amounts of glows, total earnings of glows. So to see that, you'd go into Kickboard, open your homeroom. This is last year's 8th grade class, Duke, to use for our example. You want to make sure that your date range is set. I imagine we'll be setting that for the first day of school and just keeping a cumulative total. You want to make sure that you have the balance pulled up rather than weekly or daily averages because we want to see what their total earnings are. Each dollar in Kickboard corresponds to one glow. So if I look here, I can see that Julian has a balance of 138. So back in my spreadsheet, I could find or enter Julian. And if he has 138, that would qualify him for the 50 glow badge, the 100 glow badge, but he's not quite to 150 yet. So once you've moved your data from Kickboard into the spreadsheet, there is a really important step, and it is this. Go to File and publish your spreadsheet to the web. Right here, publish to the web. You do not have to mess with anything in the window that pops up. The only thing that really matters is this. The document is published to the web. Great. Close it. At the bottom of your spreadsheet, there's a second tab that says Get the link here. Once you've published, you simply click on this link, and it will take you to your homeroom's badge tracker, where we can see the images that have been uploaded. We can click underneath them here to see who has earned each badge. We could also click on individual students. So here's Julian. I can click on him, and sure enough, I see that he's earned the first and second badge. Once you publish this, the way to update it is simple. You just go back to your spreadsheet, look again at the data. Let's say Julian earned those next 12. I'll put an X in the 150 glows box. I will go to my badge tracker website and just refresh. And what we should see is that Julian now has 3 badges. Okay, so what I would do is once you have your badge tracker site up, go ahead and bookmark this. Bookmark your spreadsheet as well to keep them next to each other, and work with your team to find the best way to get yesterday's glows updated to the spreadsheet. Thanks for your time.